This is coming back down from Mount Hood, and then we've got two others. I don't know if we can see them. One, I can't tell. Maybe one, two, somewhere. There's two of them over there, and then that guy right there. I am headed back down. It's got, I don't know, I mean, you can kind of look around and see it's late in the day. Sun is beyond the hills. It's doing nothing but getting darker. Y'all forgot to remind me to comb my hair. But I got, I guess, 7 miles to get down before it gets completely dark. So I'm going to take off. I just thought I'd say hi. Try not to trip while I'm doing this. It would not be fun crawling all the way back down. But there we go. If Mother Nature wants me, here I am at your doorstep. Please don't. Bye-bye. Hey, if you guys make it out to Mount Hood in Oregon, this right here is the place to stay. I stayed at a different free spot on the other side, the west side, last night, and it was nice. It was peaceful, but it's not this place. This is where you need to be when you come here. As you can see, there's a large parking area. Restrooms over here, and you can see there's at least one vehicle off the parking lot. There's a sign back there, and we're gonna go read that. First thing you come across is a warning that they bombed the mountain to prevent avalanches. No worries. Let's read this sign. You can look across here. This is the road I walked up at that flat level area. You can go and you can park down through the area. We can see where this guy's parked here. But when you come across here, this is gated. I guess this is for skiing or something. Once that's a thing. Let's take a look at her real quick.